This might be the last one today. So I'm going to do log of, and remember, if I don't write the base down, it's 10. So this is technically log base 10, 2x minus 100 equals 3. So when I say log something of x, that's the same as log, it's called the common log, log base 10 of x. We just don't write the 10 down, right? And so that's called the common log. Now that's going to be important to keep in mind because remember that we've got this b to the y equals x, which is the same as the log base b of x equals y, okay? So if I want to solve this, I'm going to say 10 raised to the third power is equal to 2x minus 100. Well, 10 to the third power, let's see what that is. I mean, it's 1,000. How did I do that? I wanted, so we got 10 raised to the third power. That's 1,000, okay? So this is 1,000. I did it on the calculator because I want to show you guys how to use the calculator. All right, so now I got to get x by itself, so I add 100 to both sides because I'm trying to undo what's being done to the x. I've got 1,100 on this side. Negative 100 plus 100 cancels, that equals 0. 0 plus 2x is just 2x. Next, I'm just going to divide by 2. Now, I think that's 550. But I'm just going to plug it in the calculator to double check. Sometimes I'm wrong. Divided by 2. Yep, 550. And that's it on that one.